When we kill time, we are killing ourselves. What to do is your boy Dedication nga pala, and I'm back to making this type of videos, and I'm here to discuss with you guys the importance kung paano natin i-manage yung time natin, since right now I'm having difficulty in managing my time and where to put my time or how to convert my time in productively, you know. 'Cause lately I've been distracted so much of social media and doom scrolling, procrastinating on things that I should be doing. Tas di ko naman ginagawa yung mga bagay na dapat kong gawin. Tulad ng pagbabasa ng libro, panonood ng videos na makakatulong sa akin para mag-grow. Hindi lang sa pag-workout, pati na rin sa iba pang aspeto ng buhay ko, since I'm promoting self-improvement, right? So you know how hard it is. Pero I'm telling you guys, or I'm sharing it to you, kasi alam ko na hindi lang ako yung nag-struggle, and minsan, once na nandun na tayo sa state ng doom scrolling, hindi na natin siya makontrol, or parang nawawalan na tayo ng control na umalis dun sa situation na yun. Just always remember that, like any currency, time is also a currency. So how we spend it, it's tiny, increments, is something small that actually, amounts to something very large. So imagine small things that productively you're doing every single day, reading 10 books a day. As time goes by, pag nag-add yung increments na yan, magagamit mo yun sa future. Sa pagbubuhat, 1 hour a day, 1 hour a day, 1 hour a day, magagamit or lalabas din yung results sa future. It's not always instant. It's not supposed to be instant kasi we're doing the work every single day, right? And then the famous Stoic reminder, memento mori, again means no one can take time or life for granted as it runs out for all of us. So it's a reminder na meron tayo lahat expiration sa mundo na to. And sometimes we tend to forget it. Nakakalimutan natin, and we always assume or think na tomorrow is promised pa. That's why we always say bukas na lang, bukas na lang, bukas na lang, until it's too late. So be smart, brother. Be smart on where you put your time. First, put your time on good habits, good things that will help you. So again, example is going to the gym, going for a run, learning new skills, anything from cooking, about your current job, improving yourself or your skill for that current job, or improving other skills for the other aspects in your life where you can use like a side hustle or a side job or a part-time job. And stop putting it on bad habits like, again, watching pornographic videos, doom scrolling, distracting yourself with social media and not producing something, being in a consumer mindset, chasing women, gambling, drinking alcohol, all that shit. You get to a certain age where it's not worth it to do that type of stuff because your time is running out, my brother. And again, sa ating mga lalaki, if nagawa natin ang tama, pwede nating maging kakampi yung time, since again, late nga tayo nagpipeak sa buhay. Pero pag ngayon, hindi mo inayos yung paggamit ng time mo, brother, by the time you're 40s, pagsisisihan mo lahat ng ginawa mo ngayon. All right. So time is very important. Always remember that we should not tolerate or indulge distractions. Ako rin nahihirapan ako sa ganun ngayon. I'm finding or I'm trying to ask myself, how can I remove distractions when I'm exposed to social media? But I know I'm gonna find a way because I need to find a way because that is going to help me win. That's will determine if I'm gonna be successful or not. So it's a part of life being distracted with, especially on this time. We have the modern era, the digital era. So always respect your time. Always make sure that every day you are putting in the work, putting in hours, even though you don't like doing it, you still show up to do it consistently on a consistent basis. Uh, Respect your time and respect others' time too. So yun lang mga tol. Sana may natutunan kayo. Mabilis lang yung video na to. And then nag-push day din ako niyan. Hindi ako masyado. I don't feel like working out that day, but hey, look at the pump. Look at the pump though. I hope you guys are always well, always improving, dedication out.